Botswana to give South Africa electricity.
We at Mawana substation, we request all of us to restore 400/220 kV T1. Thank you. I can also confirm it. Well done.
Now the South African government want Botswana to give them electricity.
So earlier this week, President Cyril Ramaphosa outlined South Africa's plan to import electricity from neighbouring countries in order to supplement our constrained supply. Eskom has confirmed that it's now in talks with Botswana's Power Corporation about the possibility of getting power from there.
So the question is, can a small nation like Botswana give South Africa electricity? Hello guys, welcome to today's edition of the cost of living in Botswana. In our previous video, we promised that we will be coming your way, with videos on cost of living in Botswana in 2023. So we will start with electricity, okay? I know most of you who want to visit Botswana would like to know the power situation here. You may be wondering whether it is like some of the African countries that we know who do not have 24/7 stable power supply. This video is for you. Okay, let us delve into today's video. As at today, Botswana produces 580 megawatts and uses only 300 megawatts. So it means that they have surplus, right? Yes! The reason why the South African government want Botswana to give them electricity. Okay, most of this capacity came from coal-fired power plant. They also have some backups generated by diesel and solar power facilities. Okay, yes, maybe you are watching me from Botswana. If you know other sources of power, let us know in the comment section below. Okay, we are ready to learn from all of you. Okay, thank you very much. Fun facts: in Botswana, the company in charge of electricity supply is called Botswana Power Corporation. Get it right. Simply put, BPC. So Botswana Power Corporation is a state-owned utility company. Get that one right. And it is responsible for generating, transmitting and distributing electricity in Botswana. So BPC was established in 1970 and was since being the main supplier of electricity in the country. Someone asked whether we have electricity in all the villages in Botswana. The answer is no. Not all the villages in Botswana have access to electricity. That being the case, the government of Botswana has implemented programs to improve access to electricity in rural areas, including the Rural Electrification Program and offline-grade renewable energy solutions. So there are still some villages and households that lack access to reliable electricity, particularly in remote areas. I was told efforts are ongoing to expand electricity and improve reliability of electricity in those areas. Aside some typical villages, which is the case for even most developed countries, Botswana, I know, has 24/7 stable electricity. Do they give notice before offing the light? This is proof. Take a critical look at this paper. They are customer friendly. Talking about customer friendly, when your light goes off without any notice, all you need to do in Botswana is to dial *192#. You will have option to report your problem, okay? And right away, a close-by agent will call, and within few minutes, depending on the problem you are facing, okay, your light will be restored just like that. The interesting part of the whole thing is that after they have restored your light, you know what is going to happen. They will call to apologize even to you, and even as if they could be of any help before they drop the line. How do they pay for their electricity? The first one is that online payments. They have online portal where customers can pay their electricity bill using their credit and debit card or mobile money. Okay, and then the second one, mobile payment. They also partners with mobile money providers, okay, such as Orange Money and Mascom, Myzaka, to enable customers to pay their electricity bills using their mobile phones. And the third one, also bank transfer. Customers can also pay their electricity bills in Botswana through bank transfer using their bank account. The fourth one, also cash payments. If you're a customer, you can pay your electricity bill in cash at BPC offices or authorized payment agents, such as you go to the supermarket, you can pay, fuel station, you can pay, and then post offices also you can do that. It's also prepaid meter. You know, some customers use prepaid meters, which require them to purchase electricity units in advance and load them onto their meters using a prepaid card or mobile phone. Remember, payment methods, it differs from, you know, depending on the utility provider and the region you are. Average price of electricity for a household in Botswana, well, it can vary depending on several factors such as location, consumption, and tariff plan. You know, per the current report by the Botswana Power Corporation, the price of electricity is $0.095 you know, per kilowatt for a household, and then $0.113 for business, which include all components of the electricity bill, such as the cost of the power, distribution, and taxes. These prices also go up in winter, you know, because of increased demand, reduced supply, infrastructure challenges, fuel prices. So basically, these are the information you need to know, you know, about power supply in Botswana. If you like today's video, hit the subscription button and subscribe to our channel to support this project. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends, you know, with friends and loved ones. What should be our next video on the cost of living in Botswana in 2023? Should it be housing? Should it be internet, visa, education, fuel prices, or staff security? Let us know in the comment section below. See you next week.